Welcome to our channel Earning Engine, where you learn easy and earn easy. Today we are going to shed light on leveraging social media to generate income. In today's video, we'll share 10 ways to get paid for social media posts. Number 10. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands and create sponsored social media posts to earn money for promoting their products or services. Number 9. Brand ambassadorships. Establish long-term partnerships with brands as a brand ambassador, representing their products or services through your social media presence. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links on your social media platforms and earn commissions for any resulting sales. Number 7. Sponsored events or experiences. Attend and cover sponsored events or experiences, sharing your content on social media and receiving compensation from the event organizers. Number 6. Product reviews. Create in-depth and honest reviews of products or services, showcasing them on your social media channels and receiving payment from brands. Number 5. Social media contests. Participate in social media contests or campaigns organized by brands, with the opportunity to win prizes or receive compensation for your participation. Number 4. Sponsored content series. Collaborate with brands to create a series of sponsored content that aligns with your social media niche or interests. Number 3. Social media consultancy. Offer your expertise in social media marketing as a consultant, providing guidance to businesses or individuals in exchange for payment. Number 2. Social media takeovers. Take over the social media accounts of brands or organizations for a designated period, creating and sharing content while getting paid for your contribution. Number 1. Influencer networks and agencies. Join influencer networks or agencies that connect social media influencers with brands, helping you secure paid opportunities. These 10 methods provide practical ways to get paid for your social media posts. By embracing sponsored content, brand ambassadorships, affiliate marketing, and product reviews, you can monetize your social media presence. Additionally, explore sponsored events, social media contests, consultancy, takeovers, and influencer networks to diversify your income streams. Remember to maintain authenticity, engage your audience, and deliver valuable content to build a successful career in earning from social media posts.